Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Southern California Seismic data video. Today we have actually had two quakes to happen. One was a bit more local than the other, and one was a bit further, but a lot stronger. So first, we have a magnitude 4.8 to strike west-southwest of Stovepipe Wells, California. I'm pretty sure that's just in, like, Death Valley, basically. Yeah. Actually, no, Death Valley's over here. But still, it's pretty close. 90 felt reports so far. That's expected. Wasn't really near a populated area. So, yeah, also Google Earth still isn't working today, so let's -6. I guess that must have occurred really close to the surface. So yeah, Google Earth still isn't working today, unfortunately. So yeah, occurred right here. Ridgecrest area is right here. The Lone Pine Quake happened right here. And I still do not think there's a measuring tool here. Is there? Say goodbye, send a phone. Yeah, there's not. Dang it. Alright. So yeah, you can see right here the deserty area. So yeah, that's that for the Stovepipe Wells quake. Now second, we had a magnitude 3.0 to strike in Fontana, California. This one was actually a lot closer to me, and it's in a way more populated area, so 413 felt reports. I believe it happened on the San Jacinto Fault, because it goes all the way up through, let me change the map, through these mountains all the way up, and it stops right there when it hits the San Andreas. So yeah, shaking was actually amplified here. That's surprising. Even here in Lake Elsinore. But I guess that makes sense because it's around water. So if you're really close, you could have felt shaking up to 3.5. And felt reports all around this area, but that's to be expected. So yeah, that's that for the Fontana quake. And now let's get to the Infotech readings. So first, as you know, Infotech, or these kind of seismometers, are better for picking up quakes that are far away. So the 4.8 actually showed up really well. So here you can see in Menifee, it turns all black here, except for that little white line. It goes all black in Mammoth because Mammoth's actually relatively close. You can see the P wave and S wave by the California-Mexico border. P wave, S wave, then it slowly fades out. So, slowly fades out here, Mammoth and Menifee. And that's that for the 4.8. And then here in Fontana, not meant to pick up local quake, so this big old jolt here in Menifee, and tiny little thing here in Mexico border, California, United States-Mexico border. Whatever you want to call it, California-Mexico border. You know what I mean. Okay, so now onto the Raspberry Shake. Here is the 4.8, which the P wave gets above 3,000 counts and below -3,000, which isn't too bad. And then the S wave also actually doesn't get too large, gets just above 4,000 counts and almost to -5,000 counts. So yeah, pretty average readings. Can see the P wave and S wave though, so that's nice. Spectrogram, again, pretty average readings. So you can see here, it gets kind of dark, but lower on the spectrogram because quake was far away. And the S wave gets a lot darker, but then it slowly fades out. And then stops right around here. But then the Fontana thing, which the Raspberry Shake is meant to pick up local stuff, it picked up great. So the P wave got all the way up to 6,000 counts, which is already above this one. And it got it pretty well too, and almost to past -5,000 counts. And then the S wave gets almost to basically to 50,000 counts and almost to -40,000 counts. So yeah, huge readings here. And you can see a lot smaller readings here on the spectrogram. P wave, S wave gets super dark there, then it fades out. So yeah, P wave, S wave, P wave, S wave, P wave, S wave. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys have a good day, night, whatever time it is for you. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy this content, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Peace.